Alright guys, today in this video we're gonna answer one of the most common but disrespectful questions in my opinion when people try to book La Leona Waterfall. And that question is, can I just book a guy and go? Why are you guys charging so much money? Why are you guys charging per person? If I have 10 people, can I just pay for a guy and then he will be able to take me? Well, that's not how things work. And we're gonna show you why and how there are so many people behind the scenes that you don't see, such as drivers, receptionists, scheduling, people doing reservations, maintenance, and then there is the tour guide who delivers the final experience to you. But that tour guide wouldn't be able to do anything without all those other people behind the scenes that also work with us. Can I just pay for a tour guide, like 30 bucks, and then he will be able to take my group of 15 people? That's not how things work, guys. Come on. Alright, there you have it. As you saw in the video, there's a lot of people that goes behind the scenes, and there are so many things that you guys don't know about. You guys just think that it's just the guy taking you on the tour, just the guy taking you on the tubing, but there are so many people working in other departments that are so important to make this experience happen. From receptionists who do the check-in for you, make sure all the tours go on time and get out on time, to reservation staff who make sure the tour guides are assigned to each tour, and to track your reservations, and to answer your emails and your calls and your live chats that you guys use a lot. answer all your questions before you book, right? So, and there's also drivers who have to drive back and forth, make sure the cars are working, make sure that the cars are safe, you know, and drivable. And there's also me, there's also social media staff, so many people that you never see, that they don't provide the final experience to you, but they are so important for the company. There's also my job too, which is managing so many people and making sure everybody's doing their job right. So every single person in the company is very important. We have about 40 people working in this company, and each one of them are very important to provide the final experience that you only get to see the tour guide, but there are so many people and an amazing team behind the scenes making this happen. So again, never ask this question again, can I just pay for a tour guide and go? No, you cannot, okay? And then remember, book online at leonawaterfall.com. We are the best company in the area by far. There's like not even comparison with the others, okay? See you soon. Pura vida.